pretty much leaving your home school. Hands-on time, learn some new things, make some new friends, really. It's really fun. You pretty much work on the cooling and heating side of like houses, and also work with your refrigerator, walk-in freezers, all of the commercial, residential, and industrial equipment. And once I started the program, I kind of got into more depth on like what companies you can go to, the different opportunities you might have. Right now, I'm working on soldering this piece of copper pipe. So then you have like a good seal between the two pieces of copper that you put together. It's really fun overall. You make new friends. Definitely like doing HVAC. I think I chose a pretty great program to do.